And student, this is continued part of Java introduction class from quantumlogos.com. Okay, we were discussing constructor. So, for quick review, what is constructor? Constructor is a special method. What is a special method which has same name as the name of class? So, every class has a constructor. That is, every class must have at least one constructor. Okay. If we do not explicitly write a constructor for a class, the Java compiler build a default constructor for that class in runtime environment. Okay, so each time a new object is created, at least one constructor will be involved. When we are going to create new object or when we are going to instantiate new object, then first constructor is involved. Okay, then object is created. And how constructor is involved? By through the keyword new. Here you see one constructor is involved which has same name as the name of class. This is person. This is class name person, and this is object name. Vikas is a object name. Person is a class name. Okay. Person is a class name, and this is constructor, which is a method name, and this method name is same name as the name of class. So that's why constructor has same name as the name of class, and it is a special method which is used to create object or which is involved to create object. Each time a new object is created, at least one constructor will be involved. Clear? So the main rule of constructor is that they should have the same name as the name of class. Okay, a class can have more than one constructor. What does it mean? A class can have more than one constructor. That there is number of constructor possible. है ना? We can write number of constructors. There is no bar. How many constructor is possible in a class? Okay. So, but those constructor must have different signature. Number of constructor is possible. A class can have one constructor, two constructor, three constructor, but no two constructor can have same signature. What does it mean? No two constructor can have a same signature. That is, signatures means if we are creating a constructor which has no parameters, then that is like this, which has no parameters. Inside this I haven't mentioned any parameters. Here I have mentioned some parameters. So two constructor of same signature, if there is no parameters, then two constructor can't have same same constructor, means same signature. That is, if a person has no parameters, then likewise second constructor must have for parameters, at least one parameters or two parameters or three parameters or four parameters. Here I have mentioned four parameters, and one constructor can have only one parameters, like gender, a person gender. Okay, like string gender. So that is, string gender is one parameter, string color is one parameters, double weight is one parameters, double height is one parameters. And if we have written a constructor one constructor like person Vikas, that is class name, object name, this is constructor name, and these are parameters. And one constructor is possible like string gender, closing this. Okay, so one constructor is possible, and another constructor, how is it possible? New person, string color only. Okay, so this is different signature. One constructor have string gender, and one constructor have string color, and one constructor can have string gender and string color. Okay, likewise one constructor can have string gender, string color, and double weight, and one constructor can have all these four parameters. So number of constructor is possible in a class, but must have different signatures. Two means same signatures constructor in a class is not possible. Okay, so here new keyword, we are discussing new keyword, and for creating new object, our constructor is invoked by using keyword new. So as mentioned previously, a class provides the blueprint for object. So basically an object is created from a class. In Java, the new keyword is used to create new objects. Okay, it is clear to you. This is sample of a class. I have already discussed, but in previous discussion there was no constructor. I have included here constructor. Okay, so this is a class. This is this is completely, this complete is a class. Which class? Person class. Okay, these are attributes, and these two are behavior or method, and person is a constructor which has no parameters. Here another constructor I have written which has parameters. Okay, and if we haven't mentioned any single constructor, then compiler create one default constructor which has no parameters like this. Okay, and by default compiler will create one constructor which has no parameters like this person. Okay, and this is constructor which has parameters supplied. Okay, and this is attribute. This is attribute, and how we are giving values to these parameters. First, here we give attributes, and this color is parameters of attributes. This is attribute of class attributes color. The green color is attribute of class. Okay, and this is orange color is parameters of constructor person. Okay, so we are providing value to attributes through supplied parameters. Okay, and this is I will discuss during program time what is this system.out.println for printing. In for printing purpose we are writing this keyword system.out.println. Likewise, one keyword is print keyword system.out.print. Both both print both keyword used to write whatever inside this closing bracket, opening and closing bracket in within inverted comma. Okay, this println and print keyword is used to write uh, in the output, used to displaying this is used to display things. Okay, whatever we want to display in the screen, we will have to use this keyword system.out.println. Okay, so this is all about constructor, and let's move to program, and from there we will have, if there is any confusion, we will get clear over there, and how this constructor is involved when we compile this program. There you will see, and practically when you will find this, then it will get clear to you. Thank you very much for this class, and happy study, and see you on next class. Thank you very much.